morning, children. Are you still in your bed? Come on, get up. Your SST teacher is back. Kids, welcome back to SST class. Hope you all are safe and sound. Children, have you completed your previous work in your notebook? Okay. I know you all are good children. You have completed your work. Now let's start today's lecture. Before starting, I will give you a short review on chapter, that is means of communication. Children, in this chapter we will study about meaning of communication, types of communication in the modern world, history of communication. Now let's start the chapter. Children, the process of sending and receiving messages from people is called communication. In other words, when we send or receive message from someone, that is the way we communicate with people. Different means by which we can communicate with people are called the means of communication, which meant different means of communications are means of communications. Communication is very important in our life, as it plays a key role in everybody's life. Long ago, people used to communicate through the sign language and later through the spoken words. Drum beats were sent to far off places to convey the messages. Sometimes people sent messages by reflecting the light on a mirror or through smoke or fire signals. Distant communications was a major problem at that time. As people started writing, the problem of the means of distant communications was solved. Messages were sent through pigeons. Special persons called messengers used to carry written messages. Messengers used to travel on foot or on horseback. But this method took a very long time. Today, there are many modern means of communication. The most commonly used means of communications are postal communication through postcards, inland letters, envelopes, etc. Telecommunication through radio, fax, telephone, television, and computer. Mass communication through newspapers, television, and radio. So, class, this was the discussion on means of communication. In this discussion, we have discussed the olden days method of communication, which were sign language, drum beats, smoke or fire. People were used to these methods, but as the development has taken pace, the modern techniques of communication were introduced, which were envelopes, telephone, newspaper, and so on. So, class, the first part of the chapter is complete. Tomorrow we will discuss the second part, which is the detailed explanation of the modern ways of communication. Children, you should read the chapter once by yourself. Thank you.